We got the notification, our room is ready. We just got here at Saratoga. Our room is not quite ready. We thought maybe we'd stop by and check out the merch and stuff, but they really didn't have anything different than what we saw at Art of Animation.
They didn't have any Saratoga Springs specific
merch, yeah.
Yeah, that's what we're looking for.
Yeah, they just had some generic DVC merch and some generic holiday merch, but nothing Saratoga specific or Treehouse specific as well. So we just figured we'll walk around a little bit, wait for our room. It's been a while since we've stayed at Saratoga, but see, clearly looks a little bit different than last time. A lot of items missing from the case. Does look like they have some specialty cupcakes still. The bullseye cupcake. That's new to us. Chocolate cupcake, peanut butter mousse, chocolate peanut butter buttercream. They got cannoli.
We have a bourbon pumpkin cheesecake.
Oh, that's my name all over it. Bourbon pumpkin cheesecake. Bourbon sour cream topping pumpkin cheesecake, but it has spiced pecans. Yeah, definitely a little bit different since the last time we've been here. We were taking a picture in front of the cart here, and I never noticed it said Mickey up here. So it's taking a little bit longer than we thought. We've kind of made our way around the resort. We're gonna save Disney Springs for tomorrow, so we decided to come into the community hall and see what activities they have to offer. The girls chose to paint and color a magnet. And also a plush. Let me see your plush. What kind of plush did you get?
Yeah,
a pig one?
Yep.
And you're coloring
Mickey.
a Mickey one. Look, so you made a little Mickey with a bow on it? In the ear?
I'm going to call Minnie Mouse.
That's a good idea. So if you've never come into the community hall, they have a lot to offer here. They have the DVDs that you can come in and rent. A lot of activities. You can see some of the magnets up there. And also they have movies playing in the background. They do tie-dye. So if you're staying on one of the DVC sites and a member, there's a lot here to offer. The mural's all finished.
Yep. Yeah.
Let's see the finished product.
Pooh. Hey, Pooh.
Is it giving the camera kids?
Was that a lot of fun? Yeah.
Hey, I love your camera.
Nice. What's on your magnet? What'd you draw on your magnet?
Minnie Mouse.
You got Minnie Mouse, you got Spaceship Earth.
And
some hearts.
And his name is Pooh.
Yeah. I saw you got a hidden Mickey on there too. Where's the hidden Mickey?
Tummy.
Oh, tummy?
See, yeah, but I got it spot.
And luckily, as soon as we walked out, we got the notification, our room is ready. Let's go check it out. You guys better run. Thanksgiving's around the corner. I don't think I've seen so many turkeys on property before. This has been a dream of ours to stay at the Treehouse Villas for so long. I can see why it's been a bucket list for everybody that comes here and why it always stays as one of the top rooms that everyone wants to get. Now, one thing to remember is it is separate from Saratoga Springs, so you do have to leave Saratoga to drive over here and park. Well, what should we do? Should we try our magic band, see if it works?
I did it. Yep.
Should we stay here?
Oh, sure.
What do you think?
That's good. I hear something.
We made it to our room, and should I say Treehouse Villa instead? Yes, this has definitely been one of our bucket list places, and we were able to make it happen. We were lucky just to find a reservation on a whim.
Really last minute.
So here we
For the
are.
most part, but we're excited. We're super excited to be here.
And I know the girls are too. In fact, they've already made home to one of the rooms in here, which is pretty unique to, let's say, Disney in general. It's here. What'd you find?
A bunk bed.
A bunk bed.
Yeah, we found Mickey.
Oh, I had Mickey in here too.
That's cool.
That's hard.
Yeah, so you normally don't see the bunk beds in a lot of the Disney resorts. I know that at Fort Wilderness they have one. But, I mean, I think it's going to be hard going to the parks, so the girls may just want to stay in the bunk beds all day. But we'll give you a quick tour. But if you guys are interested and you want to see a full tour, just check the link in the description. We have a full room tour in there for you. But
so this is a 3-bedroom. I believe it sleeps 9 people, somewhere 8-9 people. So a lot to see, a lot to offer here.
bring your friends.
Yeah.
I mean, for us, this is it's a lot of space for us, but it's been one of those places that we've always wanted to stay at. It does have a full kitchen.
Yeah.
Great
All
kitchen.
the dishes that you need for, you know, if you want to make meals here, they have a grill downstairs too, and it comes with like the grilling utensils. So anything you need to make a meal here if you don't want to eat at one of the Disney restaurants.
I know, that's always hard for us. We always say, oh, we'll eat in the resort, but
yeah, I mean,
we always tend to
tongs, anything that you need.
and actually had real plates.
Yeah.
I was surprised at that because
Wine
last time
glasses.
we stayed at the Polynesian villas over the summer.
They were still doing the paper.
They were doing the paper, but that one is also just more of a kitchenette.
Yeah.
Only has a small fridge and a microwave. So it is nice that this has the full kitchen caboodle, I guess you could say. And I love the living area here. I said it in the other video, the tour, but I love the TV down here because it really reminds me of Old Key West.
Yeah.
And Hilton Head.
I was gonna say, it reminds me when we stayed at Hilton Head.
Yeah. But I just love just being surrounded by these trees.
Now we're on the water, so from one of the rooms you get a pretty decent view of the river. I mean, you can see it from the master a little bit, but I think from that other bedroom you really get a good...
A little bit better of a view of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I mean, you kind of see the other tree house over there. I mean, probably could wave to them if they had their windows open, but...
For the most part, it looks like, if you've never stayed at the Treehouse Villas, it looks like they are grouped into like 2. Yeah. So 2 per little area. So if you're in the back when you really are kind of far away from everybody.
Yep. Now what's weird though is this combo walk-in shower and tub. It's different, but it's this room. This room definitely has a lot to offer. I'm looking forward to staying here for a few nights.
High ceilings, and it actually has a ceiling fan, which is great.
Oh yeah.
I know. Where was it? Was it at the Polynesia? They didn't have a ceiling fan.
Oh,
I don't know. Somewhere recently, and it just we're kind of weird. We like that like white noise of the ceiling fan. Not to mention the. Not to mention the air that it provides, but there's something about when you don't have a ceiling fan if you're used to it. So these rooms definitely have a ceiling fan, which is a plus.
Yes, and I just love the ceilings in here.
Ceilings, yeah.
Just everything. This living space is great. Kind of weird to have your table just right at the entryway, but
it all works. It all flows together pretty nicely.
We do have some park reservations. We actually had one today for Hollywood Studios. We got here a little bit late.
Yeah.
We thought the room was going to be ready. Didn't get ready until right around 4 p.m.
We've got dinner reservations coming up soon, so
I don't know
if we're gonna make it to the park.
I don't think we're gonna make it to
We'll
Hollywood
try,
Studios today. Which is a shame because I was looking forward to some of the Christmas things, but I'm sure we'll be back in time before those end.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get ready for dinner and we'll bring you along. We chose to eat at Ale and Compass. It's the first time all of us have eaten here, and I don't believe I've eaten at Captain's Grill when that was here as well, but the menu looks great. I know everyone raves about the the rolls here, so I'm definitely looking forward to getting the Parker House rolls. We also got the buffalo cauliflower. The entrees look really good too, so looking forward to it. We ordered some drinks and appetizers. Those are coming up next. We started out with everyone's the fan favorite of the Parker House rolls and
They look good.
the buffalo cauliflower. I love a good bread service, and Disney definitely offers great bread service.
Is it good?
If you know anything about Chico, you know they have bread service there, but these is another great take on it. It has some really great dips, it looks like we're
There's a
spreads.
bacon jam, yeah. Cheddar, we'll have to look it up. We'll link the menu in the bottom because
Yeah,
they definitely have a good menu.
Kind of an upscale gastropub kind of feel to it. Alright, I know how I was saying how much I love the bread service at Sanaa. This is great. It was different. The sauce is a bacon jam, which is the one in the center. That one was pretty good. That one's probably
That's the most complex flavors.
probably my favorite out of the three. And then you have the pub cheese, which is on the left, and then on the right, the citrus butter. Citrus butter is not bad. I like the citrus flavor to it, but it just needs a little bit more. And then the waiter also offered to bring more rolls, which is great. I didn't know that was an option because I thought, oh man, that's a lot of dip for some rolls. And then the buffalo cauliflower is great. The ranch that they have is really good. And girls, what do you like better, the cauliflower or the rolls?
The rolls.
The rolls, of course. You like the rolls too? Did you like any of the dips with it?
I only have 2 dips.
No dips? And what would you say, what's your favorite?
I think the bacon jam was my favorite.
Yeah, there's a lot. There's a lot in there going on than just the bacon. And dinner is served. I got the fish today, which is a red snapper, served over a thing of risotto and tomato sauce. Also got the New York strip. Comes with French fries. Are those special fries?
It's supposed to be truffle fries.
Oh, truffle fries. We recommended to keep the bacon jam for the steak, put it on top of there, but it does look like it has some sort of garlic butter.
And a steak sauce with it.
And a steak sauce. Okay, which we usually don't use steak sauce, but we'll just see how it goes. And the girls got the pasta bolognese.
Yep.
So far, everything looks good and smells incredible. Dinner was really good. The fish was super fresh, didn't have a fish taste to it. We all finished our meals. The New York strip, pretty good.
It's really tender. You don't normally get a New York strip, so I was really impressed with it.
And now I got this chocolate cake. How many layers did you say it was? 8?
I guess.
Let's see. Really good cake. Not dry at all. Great chocolate taste to it. Oh, I wasn't gonna get it, but I'm so glad I got it. So glad I got this. And that was our meal at Ale and Compass. It was really good.
I was really impressed.
I was so happy with it. I would definitely recommend going there if you didn't have a reservation for Beaches and Cream.
Yeah.
I think that'd be a great stop for lunch, somewhere in between.
And they have a lounge area. So I don't know, most of the lounges at Disney you can get pretty much the same menu that they have at the restaurant. So I learned a lot of people eating in there.
Yeah.
But the food was really great. The service was really great.
Yeah. Appetizers through dessert, everything was great.
Yeah,
I didn't have a problem with anything. I mean, except for one of those spreads. Could have used a little more flavor. But other than that,
it was all good.
I'm so glad we decided to venture out of the treehouse and come here.
Yeah.
It was so hard to leave. So hard to leave the treehouse, but that's the unfortunate thing with Saratoga is Turf Club's not open, and we didn't really want a quick service. But so I'm glad we had this reservation popped up, and we were able to enjoy it. That's it to do here for our first night at the Treehouse Villas, Saratoga Springs. We had a great night. What do you girls think of the room so far?
Good.
Yeah, what's your favorite part?
The bunk bed.
The bunk bed? Yeah, and it was great coming here in the afternoon, but once you come here at night, it's just so comfy and relaxing. I wish I had a fireplace and a Christmas tree. This would definitely be the place I'd want to be for Christmas. But either way, I'm still really happy to be here. So tomorrow we'll have another fun day. We got some stuff planned, probably go to Disney Springs. Definitely get some food at some point. Maybe go to a park. We'll see. We'll see if we make it out of here. I know for sure, though, we want to stop at Disney Springs, take a look at some of the holiday stuff. But you guys have a great night. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, because we don't do this often, but we do. We'd love to take you along. Remember, it's a great, big, beautiful today. Tomorrow's just a dream away, and we'll see you later. Bye.